the laser was invented, all of the surgical instruments, such as scalpels and so forth, were sharpened on the Novaculite stones. You can see it was an excellent stone for sharpening your knives and blades. You can purchase the Novaculite and take it with you to the store when we get back. They do have some for sale there. And it still is the finest whetstone known to mankind today, even to this point. They have in recent years discovered a tiny little vein in Japan of Novaculite. However, this is the only place in the world that is still mined. Another Indian tribe that was in the area was the Washita Indians, and also the Creek Indians. They had a very large Indian war right on the water that we're on through this area now, between here and ahead of us on the bridge. They had a strong dislike for each other. In fact, I guess probably the Creek Indians didn't do real well because they lost the battle. The Washita Indians are still around. However, there are no Creeks left known today. I think they have become an extinct tribe.
Maybe.
Interesting enough, the Indians also used this area as a natural area like the gangsters did. Back before the springs were covered up in the downtown area, they were all open, and there was always a mist from the hot water, so the entire downtown area was covered in a mist or a fog all the time. The Indians believed that it was the Great Spirit breathing on the water that caused this mist. Thus it had magical curing properties. They would bring their sick and camp for weeks, have them drink this magic water, hoping to cure a variety of ills. One tribe would not bother another all the way through, even far coming from Oklahoma through the area. As long as they were bringing their sick with them, they could camp peacefully alongside and leave peacefully. They never have any problem. Very large home that you see to our left here is Dr. McFarland out of Pine Bluff, Arkansas. He is the eye doctor that invented the no-stitch eye surgery, the RK eye surgery. I've been told that his wife went to Italy to pick up all the inside fixtures and plumbings for the house. Very lovely home. Notice how many unusual angles it has. It's one of the few homes the architect design has with so many different 90-degree angles in it.
I'm living here. They got that for it.
You might like to know a little bit about the fishing in the lake.